Hi, today I will show you how to use Julie Emulator to make IMMO off in Bosch ME7.4.4 ECU with 95/160 EEPROM memory. This ECU can be found in Citroen and Peugeot vehicles. First, you have to take the ECU out and carefully open the cover. Now, find 95/160 EEPROM memory. Mark the location of the first memory leg and unsolder it. To do this, use a soldering iron, some tin and flux gel. Use the soldering tape to clean the soldering pads. Clean everything with a PCB cleaner and dry it with paper towel. Remove the tin from the memory legs. You can use a sharpening stone to do this. Now it's time to program the memory. Place the memory into the adapter and put it into the programmer. Pay attention to the location of the first memory leg. In the program, select memory type to 95/160. Now, read the content of the memory and make a backup copy of it. In lines from 0592 to 0599 and from 05A2 to 05A9, write the values that you see on the screen and program the memory. Now it's time to solder the memory back into the ECU. Remember about the location of the first leg. Now connect the emulator to the ECU. Solder jumpers J1, J3, J4, J5 and J6 and solder the wires. CAN low, CAN high, ground and power. And connect the emulator to the plug. In order to connect the emulator on the table, connect it according to the pinout that you see on the screen. Turn the ignition on. The blue LED on the emulator lights constantly and blinks every other second. The white LED is power. By connecting the diagnostics tool, you will get the confirmation that the ECU has been correctly unlocked. The status of the ECU should say ECU is not locked. That's all. If you like the video, as always leave a like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.